is a process of making money. Business is about making money. Let's be honest about it. What do you think finance is? It's an outcome because it is what happens when you look into the result of your processes.
Advertisers can go directly into their target audience because if you run Facebook ads, you have to select location, you have to select this, that, so many things, A/B testing, but you don't know if they are your exact target.
Design is a very, very important element for business owners. Yet design is also expensive to outsource, but business owners are still looking for this solution. And why is design something that is so important for business owners to think about as you start building your brand?
In business, you don't get what you deserve. You get what you design.